write code in React. In the first video we will see how to install React and how to run React in details. So today we will show how to write code. Before starting, we need to know what is React. React is a UI based Node.js supported library that give us only for front-end support, and this is first come 2013. That is developed by Facebook, and nowadays that is React is more advanced function from React is coming Next.js, or many things are coming. But in React I am starting React because if in future I am planning to come some video with React Native, that is for our app on mobile or iOS, every system it is supported. So we'll see. So we start from React and we will see in Next.js, and we will see how to use it, how to customize it, everything. So let's start to coding. So main in the file that is in app.js that you see in your browser, all things are come from app.js. So let me run. You can run two commands. If your npm is exist on your system, npm version, then you can run npm run start this command. Then it is ready, it is coming. If you or otherwise if yarn version is exists in your system yarn, so you can run direct yarn start. They start, and for npm run, now it is coming. So we need to change here this function. Hello, I am here. It is coming. So first we need to clean this CSS. So after cleaning, we need to add or some global CSS. You can add this global CSS in. I think it is no use. Let me remove. So first we are at star margin and padding, because margin and padding is automatic generated some cases. So we remove this and we will add in customize in every div. Star means you can add every CSS, it is work. So next here we need to honor use. And app CSS clean. So everything is ready, and his body I add background color. White and small black. Now it is coming. And we will add max width pixel. Why you are using max width? If your laptop size is big, sometimes your website is look very bad. So this reason we always recommend you to maximum width that is 3 width. What is the width? That is the width full, and height that is. So if you add max width, there is a CSS in width height max width mean width max width mean width min width, then max height. This CSS property help us to add max width, min width, and this simple height width property, and we can add this, and if the height is 10 vh means 100% this vertical and 100% view for width, 100% vertical via height and v width, that is v width. So यहाँ पे let me add this max width. Okay, let the background color is coming. Okay, so that's the reason I am using. Let me see how to this coming. I always recommend to like you recommendation website, because if you increase the height width then it is okay, but if you big laptop size and screen is big, then other website is increase and this look is very bad. Okay, for this case if you fix the max width, then it some case it is look always good, with my respect. Okay, that's why I am saying. And okay, so that is, and if you increase one more, okay, so let me write something. We write one folder here, that is components header, in another footer, index.js, style.css. I will use the CSS here. So that is outside. We will do, wait, that is footer. Header in top of the website and footer is below of the website, that is thing. Yeah, if you the example, that is we can belongs to header, and this part is we say that is footer. So index.js style.css. Okay, this is mistakenly delete. Okay, so in header we define simple. React is very simple. You can use this like here, const header, that is like a React function, and you can return, that is simple JavaScript function like, and in div, that is here is HTML, and you need to export default header. Okay, so you can access this in source file, header. It is not important. Okay, this component is coming, so let me here, this is header. Okay, fill outside, enter, move to the inside source file. That is recommendation. Okay, something I want to, so let me copy, let me cut. Now it is successful. Let me see. This is header. Header is coming. So in header we divide in two part. Const header up, you can make two tip folder if you want. That is, if you feel you can add this. I am making one folder because it is readable for me. Okay, and here I can import directly header up, header nav, header nav. Okay, so in the header up we'll use this part about us, this header up, and I am saying this is header nav. Okay, so in header divide div to div, under div we will keep this one div, this is, I will keep this as another div. Okay, so in div it is about us, and by which is a plastic copy paste, and another English. Okay, now see it is coming like this. Okay, no problem. Now we will add a class. You will see in CSS is in JavaScript there is a class, but you in React you need to add class name. Okay, you need to connect style file. So how to connect, you see there, that is like this. You can connect this and your file name is here, index style css, css is connected. Let me come here and sorry, that is the first header up. Class name left, header up, class name right, header up, okay. So let me add background color like this. This is to white. Will come okay, coming, and we need to make this full. Okay, for this I always recommend change the name, and the div body is not always work for this case, so we can always use dot container. Okay, container, we will add this and we'll see how this is work. Okay, okay, that is problem. Make another tip. Any class name container. We'll see, let me wait. And I said to add this here, and this CSS we will add this after this. Okay, that is, let me write this header, head, this body, sorry. Now we can divide this. Okay, header up, and add background color, display flex. Okay, justify content, space between. The justify content space between means that will come to left and right side, and we add okay, then and we can align item center, that will come to the middle, and there is two part, that is header left and header right. We need to work on header left, left header. So from left header we can add also same display flex and flex direction is auto, so really not necessary. Justify content, it's not necessary justify content here. Okay, display flex is enough. Okay, it is coming. Let me add some padding for each div. So for this padding 0 pixel and then padding right. Pixel. Now it is okay, it is coming. So making font size 20 pixel, okay, and same thing for right. Okay, and now let me add the container. We define every in global, that is container. Max width okay, this color is coming, so in container max width and margin auto. Okay, so let me go in header of main. Now it is coming. Okay, what I am change here, I make another is, and that is coming for background color mainly, and then we add container, and that's as what paper. Okay, that is the header. Okay, so you see that's look nice, but mine was not nice because that is a font family they are using, that's why it is coming nice. So let me go here and click on here Let me see what is the font they are using. Here let me add this and test this is working or not. No. Almost like that. Okay, उसके बाद group this font weight. Okay, that's and then font size. This is almost look like this. Okay, then this font family is not match exactly, no problem, because they are using Google link and that is they are using ReactJs, so it is more supported. So you'll see when we are using ReactJs. So and we need to add some padding, that is, and padding is property that's set and in the box size, any box. If you've seen, let me wait and let me discuss in padding. So let me add here. Padding is not working. Okay, sorry, it is will be. No, it is coming. Or small. It's not here. We need to add here. Okay. So padding is, if you write a box, let me show some CSS work here. That is shader up is ready. So let me some experiment here. Class name, header name, width, fixed width 200 pixel, height 200 pixel, and background is using red. Okay, so to learning some CSS, so I am planning to show how it is working. That is main, and then div, class name, header not. Okay, so let me come here and add some CSS. Width 20 pixel, height 20 pixel, background color green, sorry, green. Now it is coming, it's very small, no problem. Okay, that is small. So if you add some property like here display flex, you will not no change. If you add in justify content center, that will come to the center with respect to this box. And then another property align item center, this will keep the exactly center of this box. And these three property enough to make a box at the center of another box. Okay, so we use same thing here also. And if you remove this and try to add some padding, if you add padding in this box, padding 20 pixel, the size will increase because we add padding. Here is the main box, here is this main box, and we padding 20 pixel up, 20 pixel up, 20 pixel bottom, 20 pixel left, and 20 pixel right. We can also change like this, then 10 pixel, that is top left, top right, bottom and left. Okay, then something is, or let me increase more, so this structure is changed. Okay, so padding is another property. You can pass these four things. If you pass two things, that will understand. You give padding up and padding down, first one, and the second one padding left and padding right. Okay, and then there is some property border 2 pixel, and if you add solid yellow, and you also see that there is some border in this box. And there is another important property, border radius in 5 pixel. Let's keep the border radius, and there is some curve things are happening. So if you add more, you'll see this is look like a circle. These are property, most of the use are property, and we'll see. Okay, so lead to next step, that is padding. And the margin is almost like padding, but matching it outside of the box. In the box model, if you see, there is, if you know CSS, you know always box model, that is very basic. You search in Google and you see. If you not understand, you may ask to me, okay, in chat box. So and let me work on navigation, and next we will see div class name, nav link. Okay, then links, we will make two nav. Here we designed, here we making two nav. Here is nav icon, another was left part, like this, like as before. Okay, so div class name nav icon react, okay, and there is div dot nav link, it's not working. Okay, no problem. We'll copy and paste 5 times. And here is category. Search. Account. This list and cut. Okay, those things are. So if you go here and you will see it's look like this. So let me add the CSS. that is like almost same as we done. So that is the main, and we forget to add their container that is coming. So let me add the property here, display flex justify content center justify content justify content to div justify content space between and align item center. Okay, now it is look like this, and there is two div, that is icon and link nav icon. Okay, so display text align item center and justify content is center, because if you add this and this will be at the center. If you add not, this is not necessary, but if you add sometime it will also work. And the same property will also here. Okay, but you have display is enough, and then nav link dot nav link padding. Here for this case we will add padding in right here. We for this case we need to add padding left. Why? Because if you add right, then there is space something that never we use the boundary here, this boundary will break, that's why. 10 pixel and 10 pixel is top and button, that is not 0 pixel, and that is left, sorry, that is left. That is nav link. Let me check. Oh, sorry. Now it is coming. Okay, let me add more. Now it is this line is not break. Let me add the icon font size 22 pixel. Okay, or more 25 pixel. Okay, now it is looking cool. And here is we need to add some padding, that is top and bottom. so 10 pixel. Okay, now it is look cool. Let me add the background color. You will see what is the background. Yeah, okay, so everything is fine. And now for now case we will have font size 21. Okay, now okay, this is simple navbar, and here you can also add some property on hover. On hover means mouse you can hover here, so on hover this is also work. And the simple CSS for this hover, background color, okay, so that is 1 hour. And if you use padding to replace margin, that's will good. Let me add margin. Okay, and we add the padding 5 pixel. You'll see how to use of the padding and margin. You will see when you use this. This is top and button, that is left, right. Okay, now it is look like, and I will see how to use border radius 5 pixel. Okay, if you do not want to add this, border button 2 pixel solid 15, sorry, remove this part, not necessary. Okay, let me add another thing, because the already is defined, so if you here it is something moving, already padding is at, that's why. So for this case there is another option, padding is coming, so that is this. Okay, we'll change the background color, and we can also make the dynamic background color, that is like here, and we define a root. So we'll see in next video how to use variable in CSS. Okay, in next video.